Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. This is the Pound Trader making an analysis for Monday the 6th of May 2024. So as usual, I am just on the pound. I can see that last week's weekly candle closed with this almost pin bar-ish, but not really a very convincing pin bar. It does have a little wick here and it's also green in color, but still it did reject around this zone, which was the zone that I was looking for. So yeah, maybe we'll see on the daily time frame. Okay, so just looking at the daily time frame, price is still respecting this trend line because price did close just inside this trend line, I suppose. But this is a very long wick, and this is something that I'm normally very cautious about because sometimes price does tend to like fill this area over here before going down. But still, just using the fib, I can see that we are still within the fib retracement zone between the 50 and the 61.8. So yeah, not looking too bad. However, this bearish candle here I thought it was an opportunity to take a sell. I was actually in this trade, but unfortunately I was stopped out on Friday because there was some news. This was a convincing tweezer top candle for me, but yeah, unfortunately the news took me all the way out. So that was a bit unfortunate. So maybe just looking at it closer from the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so now in the 4-hour we can see what was happening. So we do have this bearish candle over here, strong bearish candle. I think there's an opportunity for price to still continue down. However, because of the wick that was on the daily time frame, maybe price might do a little something, push up and then continue going down. If it doesn't do that, then probably I'll just be looking for maybe a short retracement, getting an hourly sort of candle entry here and then looking for sells. But if not, maybe another just safer opportunity would be waiting for this level to break and then a retracement and then head down. I'm still looking for sells, and yeah, I hope this happens because it was a tricky week. So just looking at the 1-hour time frame now, maybe we can see this clearly. Okay, so this was last week, so I'm just going to move this here because I normally move this margin to just see what was happening within the week, and we can see that yeah, lots of consolidation last week. There was an opportunity around here. There's a trend line break, but I was waiting for a retracement to come up before taking the sell. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to get that. Yes, lose here. Okay, so on Monday, I think I'll be watching out for, let's see if there are any zones. Yeah, I think this is a zone. So let me just mark this area here. I'm just marking this on the 1-hour time frame. So on Monday, I think I'll be curious to maybe see, let's see, on the hourly, I don't know, guys. This is looking a bit tricky. But yeah, as I said, maybe on the 4-hour, maybe a double top to there. Or if not, back to maybe this level here to look for sells. Or maybe just being on the safer side is waiting for that level to break, retracement, and then head down. This would probably be the safest thing that I'll be looking for. And yeah, I can see that we do have some sort of mini trend line here on the 1-hour. Let me see. Yeah, almost. It's not the cleanest, but I do think this is quite suitable trend line. So yeah, probably waiting for this trend line to break, retracement, and then head down. And also just one thing that I like to do, I like to mark previous days lows and highs. This was Friday's low in the maroon, and this was Friday's high. So yeah, I'm just looking for maybe some price action either below that area or within, and then take it for sells. I hope I've made sense. So just going over to the dollar time index. Now this dollar index, Anyway, so let's see. So on the dollar index, I was really hoping for buys on this level because it was showing a lot of consolidation, but that did not happen. So maybe I can see if I take my fib retracement, I'm always using the fibs because I always think they're quite convincing for price action. I can see that we have a rejection around the 61.8 and in between the 50. And it looks pretty good to, start looking for buys. I think that we might probably, push up. But maybe just seeing it on the 4-hour time frame just to see it more clearly. Yeah, so a big wick here. We were almost going bullish, but didn't really close properly. So yeah, anyway, I'll just be watching for buys on this level, hopefully now to confirm the sells that I'm looking for in the pound. But if not, this area looks like it might be filled again. So I might also be looking for something like this on the dollar again. and then head upwards. But still, I am bullish on the dollar. So yeah, anyway, that's my analysis on the pound. I'm just looking at the news for next week. I am based in East Africa. So on Monday and Tuesday, oh, there's a holiday. Okay, I didn't know about that. So there's a holiday in Britain. Tuesday 7th, we don't have any news. I have filtered my news just to show euro, pound, and the dollar. On Wednesday, we have a holiday as well. Okay. Thursday, then we have some GBP news. 2:30 p.m. East African time, GBP as well. 3:30 unemployment claims. And then at 8, okay. And then Friday at 9 and at 5 p.m. East African time, we also have some news. So I don't know. I'm hoping for a better week next week. Just more potential trades, because I'm an intraday trader and I like to look for at least one trade a day if possible on the 1 hour time frame. So I hope my video was insightful. Please also let me know what you're looking forward to on the pound, just so that we can all learn together. And have a nice weekend, or if it's on Monday, happy Monday, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.